Hello guys, my name is Gaurav and I'm working as SAP S/4HANA consultant from last 2 years, and I have the previous experience of SAP around 10 years, and in which I worked on different modules, and my last project was onto SAP S/4HANA, and before that I was working as the SAP solution architect. So we are here for SAP, the demo session on SAP S/4HANA logistics, and this video will help you to understand what exactly this course is all about. So let's proceed. As you know, SAP S/4HANA is a new technology which was launched by SAP as a new product, which was launched in November 2015, and you must be knowing that it is completely built upon the in-memory platform, that is SAP HANA, which offers the personalized consumer-grade user experience in the form of SAP Fiori. Now, what exactly is SAP Fiori? This is a new user interface which will help you to perform your transactions in a simpler way. And also, it can be deployed on the cloud. So earlier, whatever systems we were using, they were only allowing us to work on the SAP system. You need to purchase the hardware, you need to purchase the software, and then only you can start using the system. But now, the cloud version is also available, which will allow the companies to directly use SAP system without actually owning that. So this is what SAP S/4HANA is, and as you know that there is a huge market capability for SAP S/4HANA. There are a lot of big companies who are already exploring the capabilities of SAP S/4HANA. So there are a lot of POC, proof of concept projects, which are going on in the market. Okay, and also some of the companies have already started their implementation as well as migration projects on SAP S/4HANA. So there is a huge demand in the market for the consultants who can independently work on SAP S/4HANA projects. But the problem is there are not many consultants who are trained on this new technology and the skill. So utilize this opportunity to be the part of the small community of SAP S/4HANA consultants, and definitely you will have immense global opportunities for SAP S/4HANA. Now, if you go through this content, we are actually taking care of basically 3 modules, that is whatever are the changes in SAP MM, whatever are the changes in SAP ST, and basically the MRP area where we are talking about the MRP lab. So we are not going to directly start with this delta changes. Before that, we need to have some basic overview of what exactly SAP S/4HANA is. Also, we need to understand what is the SAP Activate methodology and the other changes, like what are the changes in the enterprise structure, and obviously we need to also talk about the different kind of projects. So not only the implementation, we are also going to talk about how the conversion will happen, what are the different conversion tools, and what are the different cockpits which are available for the customers who want to convert from their current ECC system into SAP S/4HANA. So when you are logging into this course, please make sure that you go through this complete content, which will give you the complete idea of what you can expect out of this course. Also, towards the end of the course, we'll also have the basic overview of SAP Simple Finance, which will tell you what has been changed from the finance point of view also. Now, talking about the fees and the contact details. So we are charging around 35K for this particular training, and as you can see, if you register at least 5 days before the start date of the course, you'll be getting the early bird discount of 5,000. So you'll be getting this course in only 30K. And we also, just to inform you that if some of your friends are also interested into SAP Simple Finance, we also provide that courses. We also provide some of the other SAP courses. So for all the details, you can contact us on the mentioned ID, which is gauravslog@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Thank you.